second.
Long dick.
Aren't you a member of the yacht
See
club?
how excited I was
She get to dropping like some
when I
dead
got
fly.
that call.
Baby girl just to kill, she so dead fly. You be on top of your shit, you so dead fly. If anybody tell you different, they dead fly. On the grand smile,
She going home with me. This is about, I don't know, I had that motherfucker like 2 years now, or like 2 years. I had it. Y'all seen me. Cashed him out. He didn't want to lowball. He was on some other stuff. He was like, give me the whole, I think I spent like 35, 3 bands on it. Shit, that wasn't nothing. I already had what I wanted to do to it.